Mr. Boston, how is the jury going to react to my injury case in district court? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about a call that came into my office. And this call dealt with an individual who was thinking about filing a case, an injury case in district court, and he wanted to know how would the jury react to his case in district court. Well, what I would like to explain to you today is the function of district court versus circuit court here in the state of Maryland. One thing you have to be clear on is if you have a case in district court, a jury is not going to hear your case in district court. I want to say that again because it's really important. When you're looking to file an injury case in district court, there is not going to be a jury that is going to listen to your case. When you are filing a case in district court, what you have to look at is that you are essentially agreeing to have what we call a bench trial. And when we're talking about a bench trial, it's different in a couple of ways from a jury trial in that when we're looking at a bench trial, the judge is going to operate two ways in a bench trial. And first and foremost, the judge is going to determine the facts of the case. The judge is going to determine how everything played out. The judge is also going to deal with, number two, the illegal issues which may come up. So for example, if you've got objections and things of that nature in a bench trial, the judge is going to deal with those legal issues in addition to dealing with the facts. In other words, putting the picture together factually with the case. When we're talking about a jury trial, on the other hand, a jury is going to determine the facts of the case. The jury is the fact finder. That's a very important role that a jury plays in a jury trial. But to get that jury trial, you've got to have the case in circuit court. So I hope you can see why when this individual called me about their injury case and talking about a jury in a district court case, why that just can't happen here in the state of Maryland. If you have more questions about what's going on in your situation, maybe you have suffered an injury and you have been in the care of a doctor or a hospital at the time, or maybe your child has suffered an injury at birth and maybe they have a brain injury and a cerebral palsy diagnosis has come out, and you have questions about all of this stuff. If that's what's going on with you right now and you would like to talk with me further about what you've got going on, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that next action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury and wrongful death questions just like yours all the time. And I will be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.